Make sure you watch until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and I am here with a 2014 Ford Escape. Now, the existing customer key here is this remote-headed high security key. Now, sometimes the customer doesn't want to spend the money to get another remote-headed key because they're just looking for, the cheapest spare that they could get. So in this case, I just duplicated this key on a H94, just a generic one, and that will program in to work alongside this remote-headed key. So you don't always have to program with another remote-headed keys. A lot of times you can use just this generic key to add it as well. Now I went ahead and I dropped the key here, so I'm gonna pick it up. I have the SmartPRO, and we're gonna get in and get this key programmed. All right, so I went ahead and I've connected the SmartPRO to the OBD2 port using the cable here. Now, before I get going, I want to just emphasize the fact that you want to download that MyKeys Pro app, and you want to look up all the information about the vehicle before you actually get to the vehicle to program, okay? So I've already done that, and I know everything I needed to know. So let's go ahead and let's get to programming here. So we'll go here to vehicle selection. We'll go to Ford, and then we need to go to Escape 2014. Let's find it here. Okay, so there it is, Escape 14 to 19 Blade, right? So what they mean by that is, this is a Blade here, right? So you want to make sure you choose that one. But if this was equipped with the Prox, then you would want to use the Prox. So let's go ahead and we'll click it. And we'll go ahead and hit the connect. Now, once again, this is the same information you're going to see on the app, just listed here. You're going to see, is there any photos? There's not too much information on this one outside of this main screen here, but let's go ahead and hit the connect button. All right, so switch ignition on. So I'll go ahead and do so. All right, so we'll go here to add keys. We'll hit the little play button. Switch ignition on with the key to be programmed, which I did. Okay, so I have that H92 in there right now. Here's the customer's existing key, all right, the remote-headed key. So I'll go ahead and hit OK. Okay, so it's doing the security bypass right now, making a few different little noises. Says it can take up to 3 minutes, which is great because that's still way better than waiting, for longer. So it says procedure complete. Let's go ahead and get out of there. Let's go ahead and we'll unplug the SmartPRO, set it off to the side here. Now, I always like to take the key all the way out and then put it back in and make sure it works there. So let's see. See if it stays on. Security light goes out. Yeah, we're good. And this H92 or H94 is programmed. Let's go ahead and just take the customer's original key, give it a try here really quick. And there we go. We're good to go. All right, and that's how you program an extra H94 key to this 2014 Ford Escape. It's always important to make sure you're looking at the MyKeys Pro app and you're coming to the vehicle as prepared as you possibly can. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Since you just watched this video, I'm guessing that you work with locks and keys. And to us at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we want to hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, join the conversation and comment on our posts and videos and include the hashtag lockboss. It's free to enter this giveaway. And every Tuesday, we're gonna pick 5 winners from the previous week and hook you up with all sorts of prizes, including gear, tools, supplies. We might even send you a key machine or buy you lunch. So if you're a lock boss, join us every week to learn, grow, and win.